Welcome to our guide on residential setback and yard requirements in Arlington County, Virginia. Whether you're planning a home addition, building a new house, or adding an accessory structure, understanding these zoning rules is essential for a smooth and code-compliant project. In this video, we'll walk you through the major setback rules for different types of lots and buildings, including single-family homes, corner lots, accessory structures, and multifamily dwellings. Section 1. Interior lot setbacks. Let's begin with interior lots for single-family dwellings. In Arlington, the zoning district you're in, like R2-7, R5, R6, and so on, determines your side yard requirements. Here's how it works. In zones R2-7, R5, and R6, the aggregate side yard must total 18 feet. The minimum on one side is 8 feet, and the opposite side must have at least 10 feet. In R8, the total side yard must be 21 feet. Again, 8 feet on one side and 13 on the other. For R10, it's 24 feet total, 8 and 16 feet. And for R20, the total is 30 feet, 8 feet minimum on one side and 22 on the other. These setbacks ensure enough separation between homes, provide light and air, and support safety access. Section 2. Corner lot setbacks. Corner lots have different rules because they face two streets. The shorter side facing the street is considered the front yard. Setbacks are still governed by the same sections, 3.2.6 A.1e for street-facing sides and 3.2.6 A.2b for side and rear yards. Always check which street is considered your front to apply the correct rules. Section 3. Detached accessory buildings. Now let's look at detached accessory buildings like garages, sheds, or accessory dwelling units. For 1 to 1.5 story accessory buildings, side and rear yard setbacks are governed by sections 326A2, E1 and 2. For 2-story structures, refer to section 326A2, E4. There are also footprint limits. In R5 and R6 zones, detached structures can't exceed 560 square feet. In all other districts, the limit is 650 square feet. These limits preserve open space and prevent overcrowding. Before we dive into the next section, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Found this helpful? Drop a comment below. Section 4. Irregular lots. Not all lots are square or rectangular. Some are irregular, like pipe stem or triangular lots. In these cases, special rules apply. Use section 10.1.4 for determining pipe stem lot setbacks. Refer section 18.2 for definitions of side and rear lot lines. A corner lot with 3 street frontages may have no rear yard at all, only front and sides. Knowing how to interpret your lot lines is crucial for calculating accurate setbacks. Section 5. Permitted encroachments. Certain structures can encroach into required setbacks, but with limits. As per section 3, 2.6.A.3.A, uncovered and unenclosed features like decks, stairs, areaways, stoops, and window wells may extend up to 4 feet into a setback, but they must remain at least 5 feet from the side property line. Additional rules: covered but unenclosed porches can extend into the front yard setback only. Chimneys and bay windows, as long as they don't contain floor space, can encroach up to 18 inches into any setback. Encroachments help with functionality, but must stay within these limits to comply. Section 6. Multifamily and two-family dwellings. Setbacks for multifamily and two-family dwellings depend on building height and lot type. For interior lots, buildings up to 25 feet require 10-foot side yards. For taller buildings, add 1 foot of side yard for every 2.5 feet above 25 feet. For example, a 35-foot tall building needs a 14-foot side setback. Rear yard minimums are 25 feet. For corner lots, these same height rules apply to side setbacks. For front setbacks on multifamily buildings, they must be at least 50 feet from the street center line, but never less than 25 feet from the right-of-way. Always confirm measurements with section 3.2.6 3.2.6A and D of the zoning ordinance. Understanding setback rules is a critical step in planning any residential construction in Arlington County. Always check your zoning district, know your lot type, and verify measurements based on Arlington County's zoning ordinance, particularly Section 3.2.6. For detailed guidance or site-specific questions, contact the Arlington County Zoning Division. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps simplify the complex world of setbacks in your